iCare is a comprehensive solution for recording, storing and reporting on all your patient data in a simple and coherent but also highly flexible manner. iCare provides a framework for this information which can be customized by the customer to match their exact requirements, policies and procedures. Patient data stored in iCare is divided into a number of subfiles. Each of these subfiles is designed to capture a specific type of information. The patient master screen provides quick access to the patient's key details. Details like phone numbers, email addresses, postal addresses, allergies, religion, various identification numbers, doctors, ethnicities and more. Other subfiles are tailored to recording their own specific data types. The statuses subfile records the patient's ongoing progression through the services offered by both your organisation and other organisations, providing an unbroken narrative of the care the patient has received. Activities are distinct events like clinic attendances, home visits, contacts and treatments, and can be recorded with smart forms which allow hugely flexible data capture for later reference and analysis and make short work of the annual MDS report. The drug subfile, with optional integration with drug info, an automatically updated database of medications and treatments. The diagnosis subfile, with a built-in library of ICD-10 codes that users can reference. The equipment subfile, for allocating and loaning resources like wheelchairs, syringe drivers or nebulizers. The family subfile allows the details of patients' friends, family and carers, including their contact details and relationships, to be recorded. The built-in genogram function allows the recording and visualization of patients' relationships, both family relationships and emotional ones, and can be manipulated on screen with ease. The clinic subfile shows a patient's appointments to visit clinics. This is powered by the optional iPlanner module, which links in with SMI's staff care to allow meetings between patients and staff to be arranged, with the relevant bookings made automatically against each. These subfiles allow the details of a patient to be viewed, recorded and manipulated in detail. When a top-down overview of the patient is required, the patient dashboard provides an at-a-glance summary of the subfiles shown in any combination, ideal for use in multidisciplinary team meetings. In this case, the patient's activities, family members, diagnoses and drugs are shown. Hot links on the page allow the patient's data to be drilled into with a click. Many healthcare organisations, upon reaching a certain size, find it convenient to divide their resources into distinct services. For example, a typical hospice may have teams responsible for inpatient care, day therapy, family bereavement services, hospital visits and home visits. It's even possible that these teams become subdivided further. iCare can emulate this by allowing each team to record their data separately, but all within a single patient record. Data integrity is maintained between the teams. These multi-service setups allow dedicated expertise and procedure to be applied by each team, but within the overarching framework of general hospice care. When it comes time to get useful information about your patient, iCare's extensive reporting functionality comes into play. From simple reports showing current bed use and service utilization to advanced reports of a patient's progression through the services and staff workloads, iCare can provide the information you want almost instantly, in detail or in summary, and with the ability to incorporate various types of graphs and charts and in a selection of colours. The reports are generated as Adobe PDF files, so they're easy to read and search on screen. They're also easy to print, easy to save, easy to archive, and easy to share by email. In the unlikely event the data you need isn't included in one of these standard reports, take advantage of iCare's ability to output ultra-verbose CSV versions of any report for detailed analysis in a spreadsheet suite like Microsoft Excel, Apple Pages or OpenOffice Calc. Alternatively, iCare even provides the ability to write totally bespoke reports from the ground up in industry-standard SQL. Furthermore, the bundled MDS report tool reduces the time it would normally take to manually compile your annual NCPC MDS report from weeks to literally minutes as you answer a few questions about your organisation. The resulting report is ready to print and send to the NCPC. Also included in iCare is a messaging system. Unlike regular email, iCare messaging is subject to iCare's flexible and scalable security, so sensitive patient information sent with iCare Messenger isn't subject to the potential security holes of normal email. Messages can be sent to any other iCare user, multiple users, or even predefined lists of users for group messaging. If the message you're sending is about a specific patient, you can link the patient's record in with the message for quick access by the recipient. In the background, iCare's data is handled by Microsoft's SQL Server 2008 with its proven speed, reliability and scalability. The iCare user interface is built on Microsoft Silverlight. This means it is accessible through the web browser on your Windows or Intel OS X powered desktop, laptop or netbook computer. And it works like a website, meaning it's as easy to access as Wikipedia or Google. And because iCare works like a website, you can access it on any suitable PC in your organization and, with appropriate security, share access with external users in different buildings or partnered organizations over a wide area network. Taken a step further, iCare can even work on the internet, so it's easy to allow access to users at home over a residential broadband connection, or out and about via a Wi-Fi hotspot, or on the move with a 3G connection. This gives your staff and carers access to the wealth of information and analysis tools in iCare wherever they are. In the rare situations where even these connectivity options aren't available, switch iCare into iGo mode for offline access to pre-selected patients' data. Any changes made are easily synchronized back into iCare when the connection becomes available again. In this brief overview, we've shown you a summary of some of iCare's core functionality. There's lots more besides. For more information about iCare, take a look at our other video demos, get in touch with us, follow us on Twitter, or visit our website at www.smicare.com.